So this is lesson 26B. Second video of lesson 26 has to do with overlapping right triangles. You've done this pretty much exact same thing before, so it shouldn't be too bad. The only difference is we're the triangles on the side here like this, so we've got a right triangle here and a right triangle here, and if those are the same, in this little triangle and this big triangle share the same angle there, so these angles are the same. So when we split them up, this angle's the same, this angle's the same, which means that this angle has to be the same. So we have corresponding triangles there. So what are we trying to do? We're trying to find A, B, and C. So let's compare this with this and this with this, and that'll help us find C. So we have 6 is to 4 as 10 is to C. 6C equals 40. Divide by 6 and we get 20 over 3 for our C portion of this. Alright, so we've got that. Let's find A and B now. So we found C is, what did I say, 20 over 3. Alright, so let's find A. So we're going to put those two together and these two together. Now notice what we have. We have one equation here, but we have two variables, so that's not going to work. So let's look at another option you may not have thought of. Let's not even look at both triangles. Let's do Pythagorean. Square root of both sides. So A is the square root of 52. Well, that's not very fun, but that's what we get. Okay, so then finding B is going to be a lot easier for us, because this B over here is going to be the square root of 50, or the side is going to be the square root of 52 plus B. So now I can compare my hypotenuses with, say, this bottom here. So I'm going to have the square root of 52 is to 6 as the square root of 52 plus B is to 10. So let's go ahead and cross multiply. Okay, distribute. I wonder if I got myself into a mess here. Okay, so I'm actually trying to isolate that. So let's subtract this from both sides. And those go away. 10 minus 6 is 4. Remember, doing square roots, you just add or subtract the number in front of the square root. Then I divide by 6, that goes away. And this, let's rewrite it over here, will reduce to 2 square root of 52 over 3. And if we want to continue on, we can reduce. So let's this is our answer there, so let's kind of get everything else out of the way. So here's our answer right here. And the square root of 52 can be rewritten as the square root of 4 times 13. And we can take the square root of that. So 2, take the square root of 4 out, and we're left with that over 3. So this is going to be 4. And we're done then. Don't forget to reduce your radicals. Alright, that's it for lesson 26.